people think Salesforce Data Cloud ends when you build Customer 360. It doesn't. That is just the middle. What actually happened after Data Cloud is where real business value starts. Data Cloud gives you clean, unified, trusted customer data. That is context. And context matters because AI doesn't work well with scattered data. It needs to understand who the customer is, what they have done, and how everything connects. That's exactly what Data Cloud provides. With right context, AI can recommend actions. But here's an important clarification. AI does not decide when an email should be sent, when sales should follow up, or what a service agent is allowed to see. Those decisions and those actions still depend on data platforms. That's where activation comes in. Activation is when data leaves Data Cloud and start driving action in other systems. That's why Data Cloud doesn't create value just by storing data. It creates value when trusted customer data drives action. Let's make this concrete. A customer visits your website. They browse a product. They don't complete the purchase. That activity flows into Data Cloud. Data Cloud recognizes who this person is. It connects that behavior to past purchases, past emails, and support history that the customer has had with us in the past. Now you have full context. At this point, AI can analyze that context. It can summarize what happened, identify patterns, and recommend what should happen next. Here's what that looks like. Take marketing for example. Based on customer behavior, Data Cloud can group that customer with others who shows the same interest but didn't complete a purchase. That group find as segment. We're going to call this segment high intent no purchase segment. Now that segment is activated, meaning it is sent to marketing. Marketing sends an email that says, hey, you recently looked at this product. Here's some additional information to help you decide whether you're going to buy that product or not. That message isn't generic. It's based on real customer and real context. Without activation, Data Cloud prepares and unifies the data, but it hasn't driven an action yet. With activation, context turns into decision for people, for systems, and for AI.